There are two ways to use Rakuten. The first is to go ahead and type in the Rakuten web address into your browser, and then what you have to do is you have to make sure you're signed in. Once you're signed in, sometimes stores with lots of cash back will show up automatically, but also you can just type it into the search here, and you see the logo store comes up. You can go to ShopNet, and it tells you it's activated. So once you do that, if you purchase anything before you leave the site, it will automatically notify Rakuten, and depending on the website, you'll either receive the cash back in a couple of days, or maybe like a week or two, or however long after the transaction. The Lego ones usually execute like a day after they actually send you the Lego. The other way you can do this is you can get the plugin for Chrome. Before you sign in, if you don't have it, it will say add to Chrome. It's free. You just click on that. And I'm in incognito mode right now, so I can't add anything. But once you add it, you'll get this little R icon right here in your Chrome browser. And so if you click on it, let's say I go to Walmart. Once you go, it'll actually give you a little pop-up notification telling you to activate it. And then if you click activate, and then like right here, it tells you what you're getting cash back on. Like here, toys are 5%, and it tells you it's activated. Once you see that, you just buy whatever you want, and then it will notify Rakuten, and then you'll get your cash back in your notifications maybe a couple of days later, and then they pay out every 3 months, I think it is. And then a lot of times when you actually check out, Rakuten will automatically apply any coupons it can find. It will also sometimes pop up something where it says the thing that you're buying is actually cheaper on another website. And you can kind of see what it's actually giving you cash back on right here. So anyway, hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions.